As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun in the washing machine until it's just damp. I've already flipped it inside out and I've already marked the center points, so let's go ahead and start the fold. Alright, I'm pulling the bottom arm through the top. Alright, so we've got it to the starting place that quite a few of the designs use. Get these arms taken care of a little better. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to fold this up. I'm going to put my hand under there just to make sure that it goes down and there aren't any wrinkles right along that edge on the inside. Okay, and we'll just start folding this. Flip that over. Ooh, that was a sloppy flip. Go back and do it again. Alright, let's try that again. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to do this again. Alright, let's do one more. And then I'm going to let this fall open. Alright, so I need to get the length of this. We're going to go with 3-inch segments, so mark every 3 inches or so. Well, that wasn't 3 inches. It's a good start to it. And then just to know where that line is. Alright. So what I did first didn't look like it was going to turn out. So I rolled back a little bit as far as the fold, and we're going to start from there. It might have been better to not do that last section. Ooh. Alright. Go ahead and pull this loose. Let's see what happens if we open this up. Because that would take out that last fold. Yeah, let's do that. I think this is a much better idea. There's a lot less bulk. We're going to fold too. I don't know if I can do this one without making a mess. Let's do that. I'm trying to keep that center line down the not center because of the sleeves. That's the word. There's that. 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 Yes, I know. That's technically over, and so is this, but folding through that thickness wouldn't work very well. And this is one of those experimental, I wonder what's going to happen if I even try this. So let's do that. Alright, let me grab a rubber band. Go from that edge over, because we can't go from the center here. I mean, I know this is the center. Well, let's go from the center, because I know this is actually the center of the shirt. So, go with that as a center. Go every inch. I'm going to start off to this one side because that's a larger bulk, so I should be able to tie this better. Alright, so that's what I have. Alright, off to dye. Alright, so I've got it sitting on edge, and this is the edges that you just have 3 here. This side you would have 2 plus all those really thin ones. I don't want to go from that edge for consistency, and I think this is being done right. Again, making it up as I go. So, going with Black Cherry and Timberwolf, and these are both from Dharma. So let's go ahead and put these on. Alright, I'll let that sit and melt through, and then we'll take a look. Alright, it's been about 24 hours or so let's go ahead and start this wash out. Alright, let's see if I can find a side here. Let's take a look at this. Flip this over. I normally don't flip it over for this, but interesting. Alright, I'm going to throw this in the washing machine, and then we'll take a final look. So here's the shirt. Ignore the dog in the background. Alright. It's basically what I was expecting. It didn't come out looking like what I had hoped for, though. So I'm going to fiddle with this pattern a little bit more. There's too much white. And you're probably going to ask, did I do a second round of ice? I did do a second round of ice, but I didn't flip it over or anything and do that. I was looking for it to run through, and it didn't run through nearly as much as I had hoped for on this. So this is what it is. I don't have much more to say about this one. What are your thoughts about the process? If you think it has any potential to kind of keep fiddling around with that tie or that fold. It's probably too thick. I think that's a huge amount of the problem, is how incredibly thick it is on that section, and just trying to die it through. If you die it from both sides, I don't think it's going to accomplish what I have in my mind as far as what I want to accomplish. So I'm not sure how to get there, and I can't really express what I'm seeing for the goal, so it's kind of hard to go, hey, this is what I want. So anyway, what are your thoughts? Let me know down below, and as always, thanks for watching.